DS. If y is greater than x, is y over y minus x greater than 1? Condition 1. X is greater than 0. Condition 2. xy is greater than 0. We will solve this DS question using the variable approach. First property of inequality. Multiplying or dividing an inequality by a positive number does not change the direction of the inequality sign. Positive rule in inequality. Let's follow the first step of the variable approach. Modify the original condition and the question to suit the type of information given in the conditions. This is a priority and the most important step. The first step alone gives us a 30% chance of answering the question correctly. This question shows how you can get A as the answer using the modification, which is the first step of the variable approach. This directly shows a type of question that frequently appears in exams. Carefully remember the solving process. This is the secret of the variable approach. We have to find out whether y over y minus x is greater than 1 if y is greater than x. Since y is greater than x, the term y minus x is greater than 0, and we can multiply both sides of y over y minus x is greater than 1 by y minus x as multiplication by the positive number, y minus x, does not change the direction of the inequality sign. Then we get whether y over y minus x times y minus x is greater than 1 times y minus x, or whether y is greater than y minus x. By subtracting y from both sides, we get whether 0 is greater than negative x, or x is greater than 0. So, our question is to find out whether x is greater than 0. Let's look at condition 1. It directly gives us the answer that we are looking for, and we get yes as the answer. The answer is unique, yes, so the condition is sufficient by the common mistake type 1, which means that the answer must be in the terms of a unique yes or no. Condition 2 tells us that xy is greater than 0. If x equals 1, y equals 2, we get yes, but x equals negative 2, y equals negative 1, we get no. Since we do not get a unique answer, yes and no, this condition is not sufficient by common mistake type 1, which means that you get both yes and no as the answer. It is not sufficient. Therefore, the modification made this question a very easy one, and this is a frequently tested logic in DS questions. This modification step is extremely important. Recently, there have been more and more questions on the exam that need the modification step. Okay, this is the best solution. Go variable approach. Condition 1 alone is sufficient. So, A is the correct answer.